Everyone understand it? Even if you don't, like, if you have some doubt, just hold on for a minute. Let me know in the chat if you understand it or not. Now, what I did is, okay, I copied the code of this procedure, alter procedure, okay, as it is. Okay. Let me, yeah, I pasted it here. Okay. Create procedure, DPO, sales order procedure new. Okay. And I just added a select statement. No insert, nothing, only select statement there. Okay. Select name, style, first name from the sales LT customer, the same table. Okay. These two different columns. Let me go back and confirm now the count here once. Okay. You understand this part? What I did here?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
has any question? Okay. Now we'll go into data factory. Click here. Refresh it once. Sorry. Drop down. Sales order processor new. Okay. If I go here and execute this procedure, the output will be like this. Two columns, name, style, and first name. Now, our earlier error, the value of property column is invalid. Value cannot be null, means it is not able to find any column. So this property should not be there. I mean, this error should not be there. Let's debug it. Okay, it failed, right? Can you see the error? 1 second, no? See, now you see the different error. The column value invalid, it is not there. Now it's like column name style does not exist in the target table. Okay. Our target table is sales order, something detail table. This sales order detail, right? The, the columns that we are trying to copy was from some customer table and they don't have the common columns. So that's why the copy is in fail. Okay. You understand this? Any questions?
रन होता ना कि नहीं?
अगर कॉलम नेम सेम होता तो रन हो जाता.
Okay, means join processor run.
No, not join. Okay. See again, data that it does not verify data. It sees it's matching, data type is matching, it will copy. For example, let me show you. Where here, right? The table that we are in copying is sales order detail. This one, this is our destination table, correct? Let's go back. Further. Here. Okay. I have selected a table to show you, but anyways, let me see what I can do for it to show that example. Sales order detail, sales order detail. Mhm. Everything is unique identifiers. Mhm. Okay, okay, I can show that as well, right? Sales order detail. That is sales customer. So this is my new procedure that I was executing. Okay, what I will do it now. Okay, the error we are getting was on the name style, that this name style column does not exist. Okay, let me show you an example. Hope this works with the way I want to. I'm copying the procedure. Paste it here, giving it an example of name. Now here, instead of name style, I'm going to use customer ID as and try to execute this, working fine. Creating procedure, run, data factory pipeline, go to source, refresh, will refreshing, hold on. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Right
so
now,
can you
yes,
see it
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, see here. Now it is refreshed. Okay, so example, I selected this one now. Okay, what I wanted to show is that look, preview data. Oh, I would have shown you that property here. I'm sorry. Let me go back to the earlier procedure. No, not this. The first one, DBO sales order procedure. Which one is that? The one it only has insert. Okay, this one only insert. Okay, if I go there, DBO sales order and preview data, it throws error. See, because it doesn't return any data. Okay, that's why with the first time when we were executing the copy activity, we were getting that column value property is invalid. The second procedure that we are trying, the new one, if I preview data for it, it gives me the column names, name style, first name. It is not throwing error in preview. The error that we got is column name style does not exist. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to do the third procedure. Example, preview data, sales order ID, first name. Now, if I debug this, it will again fail. Yeah, see it failed. Now let's see in the error. See what the error is. Column first name does not exist. Okay. In the data, in the source, review, we have two columns, sales order ID and first name. It did not throw error on the sales order ID. In the earlier, it threw the error on the first column. Okay, but in the second procedure, it threw the error on the second column. Why? What data factory is checking? Okay, I have this column. I have this column in source and destination. I will copy data. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the data is actually what the column needs. So I think Yogita, you asked the question, right? It's not about the number of columns or anything. The number of columns is always there. It's about whether that value matches with the destination. Done. If it is matching with the metadata and data types, it will copy the data. Okay.
okay, sir. Must be data type is same. Or no?
Yes. Data type is set.
Okay.
Now let's go back. Yeah. So the scenarios that we tested or wanted to show is a store procedure has number of steps in between in it, right? You create a lot of steps. That's why it's called a procedure. And at the end, most of the stored procedure does not return any data. When I say does not return any data, it means Once your process is complete, you either insert that data into something or you update some table. Okay. So to use the store procedure in a copy activity as a source, you should have at least one select statement. Okay. At least one select statement in the store procedure. When I say at least one select statement, it means that the data is not being inserted into anything from that select statement, a standalone select statement. Okay. If you have multiple select statement, standalone, for example, in this procedure, I have this one, and then I also have this one. Let's show with this too. Okay. What will happen is the procedure will try to execute this one first, and this result it will try to copy into the table. It will not check this one. Okay. So generally, when we use the store procedure for copying the data, at the end of the store procedure, when all the results are completed, whichever table we want to copy, we add that. I mean, we take that result as a result and we copy that. Okay. So now here, okay, I go with this. Now I will alter this procedure. We go back to data factory source. I just refresh it one time. Okay, no change, no need to change procedure. In sync, now our table is existing, so you can use existing or auto create, anything is fine. And coming back to source again. So okay, let me use existing source, preview data. It will show the same columns now. And if you debug, see, it is succeeded. 542 records are copied. If you go ahead and check in the table, 1113 plus 542, 1655. Okay. Any doubts or question till this point? Now let's go back to data factory source. Now I'm shifting back to query. Okay. I'm shifting back to query is also fine. Okay. Let's shift back to table. Okay. Our query is also fine. I'll just remove the filter. Okay. Now this is my query. This query will return 542 records. Okay. Now we studied all the properties from the source. Now we'll go to sync. Okay. In sync, the important property, all of these are important, but yeah, the most used property is, as I showed you, use existing and auto create table. That is one. Second is pre-copy activity. Okay. What is a pre-copy activity? Is whatever you mentioned here in the pre-copy script, it will be executed before data is copied to your destination table. Okay. जो भी चीज आप इस प्री कॉपी एक्टिविटी में मेंशन करोगे, ठीक है, यहाँ पर प्री कॉपी स्क्रिप्ट में वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा आपका डेटा कॉपी होने से पहले, नॉट आफ्टर, बिफोर द डेटा इज बीइंग कॉपीड. ओके, लेट मी शो. We have a procedure here which inserts data into DBO customer table, right? If we, the DBO customer table has record count of 3388. It is taking time for it to execute the, okay, because the records are increasing. Okay, let me do it. I will run K table APO customer. Okay. So now what will happen is there are zero records. Okay. In DBO customer, there are zero records. If we execute this procedure, DBO sales order procedure, it will execute the records from sales LT customer to DBO customer. To DBO customer. Yeah. So the records are, I think 847 records are there in sales LT customer. Just confirming the same. Okay, 847. Let's go back here. Okay. In pre-copy script, I paste the procedure name. I want it to be executed before I copy the data from sales order detail table to DBO sales order detail table. Okay. Any questions till this point on what we are doing? Okay. So sales order detail table has 1655 records. Our DBO customer table have zero records. And sales as LT customers have 847 records. Now let's go back here. So when we debug this activity or when we execute this, what will happen is the 542 records will be copied from sales order detail table to DBO sales order detail table, and the procedure will be executed, which will insert data from sales LT customer table to DBO customer table. That is what is expected to happen. Okay. Now let's click here, debug. I gave incorrect syntax or not. Let us see. See, it is succeed. Okay. Now, first thing, we'll check whether it copied the data or not. 542, 1655 plus 542. It's 2197. Okay. It means it copied the data. 2197 records now. So if you scroll down here, the DBO customer table should have 847 records now. Right. Got 847 records. Okay. Understood? Guys, understood it quickly. Let's go to the next. So where this pre-copy script is used. Okay. It is generally used to avoid duplicate data copying, or to when I run the same activity multiple times, to avoid the data duplication, we use the pre-copy script. For example, here, if I write truncate, trunk this table, DBO sales order table, which is in which we are copying the data, right? And every time we are copying the data in the table, it is being duplicated, correct? So if I write truncate table, okay, and I debug this, so what will happen is before it copies data from the sales order detail table to DBA sales order detail table, it will truncate this table. That is, delete all the records from this table, and then it will insert the data from this table. So ultimately, now instead of adding the records 2197 plus, we will have only 542 records. Let's go back and see how many records are there now in this table. DPO. See. Okay. Understood? Any question? Any doubt in this? Concept clearly समझ में आ गया? Okay. There are a lot of usage of this pre-copy activity. You can even truncate any other table which is not used here. You can execute procedure, you can write delete statement, you can try and join statement, whatever you want. Basically, any SQL script you can execute. Okay, irrespective of whether it gives the output or not. Okay, but the only requirement is the script should be correct. Okay, all right. Any other question?
सर इथे मीन्स यहाँ पे जब हम कॉपी कर रहे हैं डेटा म्हणजे जो भी वहां से, तो वहां पे प्राइमरी की लगाई है ना, तो डुप्लीकेट डेटा नहीं आएगा ना यहाँ पे जो आपने एडिटिंग किया क्वेरी में।
कहाँ पर प्राइमरी की लगाई मुझे समझो।
सोर्स टेबल में जाइए ना, यहाँ पे कॉलम पे मैंने देखा था प्राइमरी की थी पीके, या सेल्स।
दिस ओके।
हाँ प्राइमरी की पीके, या दिस इज साइन ऑफ
हाँ तो
की।
सोर्स में है प्राइमरी की, डेस्टिनेशन में कहाँ पर प्राइमरी की है?
हाँ डेस्टिनेशन में नहीं है।
Right? We are not
यस,
inserting data into this table. We are inserting data into this table.
यहाँ पे अगर प्राइमरी की लगाई तो डुप्लीकेट डेटा नहीं होगा ना वहां पे जब हम
नहीं हो। वहां पर तुमने प्राइमरी की लगाई तो डुप्लीकेट डेटा नहीं होगा, इंसर्ट नहीं होगा। करेक्ट। ओके। There are no, the questions are not asked on this specific activity. They won't ask you like, tell me the properties of copy activity of database source or no. They will ask you scenario based question. When it comes to data factory, all the questions will be scenario based. It's like, suppose if you want to copy a data from database to ADFs, what are all the things I need to do? Okay, if I'm copying data from a table into a database to a different table, okay, every time I'm doing a full load, how do I ensure that my data won't be duplicated? How do I ensure that this particular procedure is executed before we copy the data? Okay, or how do I ensure that how can we copy a data from procedure, like output of the procedure into a table? The procedure executes into Oracle database and your table is into Synapse, like that. So you need to then mention that we can use data factory with copy activity, select the source and procedure and like that. Sometimes you may ask to create a pipeline as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think we can conclude it today because next topic will take more than 5 minutes, obviously. So we'll meet again tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask or we'll end the meeting.
Sir, I have a doubt on previous session. Share my screen.
Yes, go ahead.
सर यहाँ पे जो हमने मास्टर की बनाया था, अगर उसको ड्रॉप किया उसमें जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है, इसका मीनिंग क्या है सर? कैन नॉट ड्रॉप मास्टर की बिकॉज क्रेडेंशियल्स डेटा स्टोरेज इज एनक्रिप्टेड बाई।
इट मीन्स कि आपने जो मास्टर की बनाई है वो आपने एक नीचे अपने स्टेप किया होगा, डेटाबेस को क्रेडेंशियल बनाया होगा। स्क्रॉल डाउन कीजिए। सी, ये डेटाबेस को जब आप क्रेडेंशियल बनाते हो तब क्या होता है, जब आपकी सीक्रेट वैल्यू जो भी पासवर्ड है, सीक्रेट वैल्यू मतलब इन शॉर्ट इट्स अ पासवर्ड,
ओके
वो स्टोर करने के लिए आपने जो मास्टर की बनाई है डेटाबेस जो ऊपर, वो यूज की गई है। ठीक है, तो आपको अगर मास्टर की ड्रॉप करनी है, आई मीन देयर इज सेइंग इज कैन नॉट ड्रॉप मास्टर की बिकॉज क्रेडेंशियल, स्कोप क्रेडेंशियल राइट, डीबीएससी, योर नेम इज देयर राइट, इज
यस
एनक्रिप्टेड बाय, आपकी जो क्रेडेंशियल बनी है ना, उसको एनक्रिप्ट करने के लिए आपकी मास्टर की यूज की है। करेक्ट। अगर कोई चीज आपने ऑलरेडी यूज की है तो आप उसको ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते। उसको अगर आपको ड्रॉप करना है तो पहले आपको डेटाबेस को क्रेडेंशियल ड्रॉप करने होंगे, फिर मास्टर की ड्रॉप करनी होगी, फिर से मास्टर की बनानी होगी नई, या जो भी आपको बनानी हो, फिर से आपको डेटाबेस ग्रुप क्रेडेंशियल बनानी पड़ेगी। ओके,
ओके, गॉट इट
अदरवाइज
सर।
क्या होगा, अगर आप उसको डायरेक्टली ड्रॉप करो, लेट से आपने मास्टर की बनाई, आपने डेटाबेस ग्रुप क्रेडेंशियल बनाया, प्रोजेक्ट में 10 लोगों ने बना दिया, ठीक है, और आपको कल मन किया कि नहीं आज मैं मास्टर के ड्रॉप कर रहा हूँ, आपने मास्टर के ड्रॉप किया तो कोई भी डेटाबेस ग्रुप क्रेडेंशियल चलेगा क्या?
हाँ, ओके ओके, गॉट इट सर।
राइट।
यस। माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, फर्स्ट टाइम हमने यहाँ पे फाइल फॉर्मेट अलग नेम दिया था, CSV फाइल फॉर्मेट, लेकिन ये
राइट।
फर्स्ट रो देने के कारण हमारे कॉलम में आ गया, इसका नेम चेंज कर दिया, अभी इसको एग्जीक्यूट भी कर दिया रन, लेकिन मेरा जो टेबल क्रिएट हुआ along with this file format वो दिख नहीं रहा है। I'll show you. हाँ, ये एरर आ रहा है सर, एक्सटर्नल टेबल रेफरेंसेस फाइल फॉर्मेट दैट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट।
ओके, स्क्रॉल कीजिए ऊपर, वन मोर टाइम प्लीज, थोड़ा। हाँ, करेक्ट। आप चेक करो तो आपने क्या मिस्टेक की एक बार, आई मीन जस्ट ट्राई, इट्स ओके इवन इफ यू डोंट फाइंड इट। Oh, 1 second, sorry, I forgot something to mention. Those who are in meeting and listening, you can publish your pipeline. Okay. 1 second, let me publish my pipeline.
Yes.
This is the first time you are facing this error. I mean, when you are trying to create.
नो सर,
Hmm.
जब पहले बार बनाया था फाइल फॉर्मेट उससे रन हुआ, और लेकिन हेडर चेंज करने के बाद
Okay. Can you slightly go up, please? Select your file format once, not the entire row. After format, whatever name you have given, right? Try to select it. The CSV file format header to select it. No, not that way. Double click on file format word. Yep. No, no. Only double click. One more time. Yes. Okay. See. Now scroll down. See. When you put something in square bracket, right? It is the exact word. Okay. When you put the CSV file format in square bracket, I believe you've added the space before C.
oh,
Try executing now. You can use shift and downward arrow sometimes to control it slowly. There go there, I'll tell you how to execute it. Click on that create before C, right? Yeah. Now, right.
yes sir,
Okay.
executed. Successful. One sec sir, I want to again sir, for my parquet file and CSV file, this message is showing bad or inaccessible location specified in external data source.
What is the location that you have specified in your data source? Show me. Scroll up. Where you get the data source? Data source, data source, show me data source. No, not that one. Go to your Synapse notebook.
Hmm.
Scroll up. Go up, scroll up, scroll up. Scrolling. Keep scrolling. Yeah. Go up, go up. No, not yet. Scroll up. Yeah, this is your data source, right? ABFS. Yeah, you forgot to add
1 yes.
colon. Yeah, one S is missing and then your colon is also
Colon.
missing.
Yes. And last slash.
Where, sir? I didn't get where. Yeah.
Location.
Okay.
The
This one.
ABFS you have written, right?
Huh.
There is one more S, ABFSS,
Okay.
colon, the two dots. It's just besides your enter.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. And
Last
I think
slash.
you have given till the file. You have to give till folder. Show me the data lake storage. Where is your file?
Yes, sir. Employee details.
Yeah, so you have added directly file into a container, right?
Yes, sir.
There is no folder. Okay, fine. Go to your workspace, Synapse workspace. The other tab. No, Synapse, Ankita Synapse is there. Remove the file name. Yeah, employee details.txt, right? Remove that. Yeah. You need to put that file in a folder and then check it. But yeah, let's see whether you are able to. Did you not receive the notes with the examples?
Notes with the examples?
Yeah, the scripts from
No,
the
sir. I was absent on that day. I'm not
no,
feeling.
it's not on the session. I'm saying. Okay, I will talk to HR today. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll do it, sir.
It's basically what you can do is, sorry, I did not see your name. Let me just quickly show you. Okay.
Ankita.
Sorry, Ankita. Where was that? Hold on a second. Okay, let me share my screen one more time. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
See, whatever resource group you are in, go to that resource group. Okay. In the Synapse Studio, whichever you are using, you are showing me right now, correct? In that, let it open. Open Studio like this is opening. Let it open and go back into one more thing. This is SQL Studio, right? You opened it and you are working here in develop, right?
Yes,
Here in data, you click on data. Okay. Okay, I think that's zoomed out. Under data, you see linked. Okay, there you see storage accounts that we have by default connected. You click on that storage account, drop down, it will load. You see the container. Okay. It doesn't matter if the same container that you are reading the file from, even if it is different, it's fine. You go to file. Okay, let's say there is CSV file. Okay, in that. And if you right click on that and click on properties, okay, you see the ABFS path.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the path. This is the format we should follow when we are putting the path to create the external table. You see, if I copy and put it notepad, see, you get the complete path. Colon,
Okay.
double slash, till the file. Now I have put the file in a folder. So I just wanted to create the location till the folder. So what I did is I removed everything here. I removed everything and then I removed slashes. So I put the file till this folder. Okay. And that's why when giving the file name, the location, right? In the location in your create external table, we add that slash and then actually the file name. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Questions? Okay. No questions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.